This is Mrs. Naslin, and today we'll be doing Unit 2, Lesson 19, Focus on Problem Solving. We will be focusing on problem solving using multiplication. So, in this scenario, it says, this is a game called Big City Building. The goal of the game is design and build a successful city within a budget. To win the game, the city must have all of the features of a real-life city, such as apartments, schools, parks, and shops, so its residents will be happy. So you'll see they gave us this nice little example of a city. Then they gave us some real life problems that we need to solve. So the first question says, each city and big city building requires a fire station, a police station, and a post office. These each cost $2,657 in taxes per year to maintain. How much does it cost to maintain the fire station, the police station, and the post office building for 1 year? So first I'm going to count how many places we're talking about. We've got a fire station, we've got a police station, and we have a post office. So we have 3 places, and each building is $2,657. So I'm going to take that $2,657 and I'm going to multiply it by 3 for the 3 buildings that I'm trying to maintain. So go ahead and multiply those. I'm going to think to myself, 7 times 3 is 21. Carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15, 16, 17, so 7, carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19, carry the 1. And 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So it's going to cost $7,971 to maintain just the property taxes on those 3 buildings. All right, question number 2. It says, in big city building, the roads are standard 2-lane roads. The total width of the road is 9 meters. If each block is 82 meters long, what is the area of the road of one city block in square meters? So I like to draw a picture. We know that the length of the block is 82 meters. And we know that the width of the block is 9 meters. So in this case, to find the area of these two, I'm going to multiply 82 times 9. So when I do that, 9 times 2 is 18. My 1. And 9 times 8 is 72, plus 1 is 73. So I would get 73 or 738 square, because remember it's area and then meters. Ran out of room there, but meters. Okay. All right, great. Let's keep going. So we're still at the same city. It gives me some other information here that we might need. Let's go ahead and read. It says, currently Scott has $156,324 in big city building money to create his city. Number 3 says, Scott buys 42 trees to put in the park. The trees cost $83 each. How much money does Scott pay for the trees? So we have 42 trees. They each cost $83. And I see that each, that's a key sign to me that, oh, I definitely need to multiply this. So I'm going to take my 83 times 42, because there's 42 trees. And this is a great place to use my turtle method. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my turtle head. Double digit by double digit. Well, let's start with its neck. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. Since it's a turtle, I'm going to lay my egg or add my 0 and then put a collar on my turtle. Now we'll go this way. 4 times 3 is 12. 2, carry my 1. And then 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 is 33. And I'm going to go ahead and add these up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 3. $3,486 it's going to cost to add 42 trees. That's a lot of money for 42 trees. All right, good. Each apartment building contains 59 apartment units. Scott has 4 apartment buildings in the city. How many apartment units does Scott have? So there's 59 apartment units, and he has 4 buildings, and they want to know his total. So I'm going to do 59 times 4. I could draw a turtle head if I need to here to help, but I'm going to go ahead and try it without it here. 9 times 4 is 36. 6 carry the 3. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23. So we have 236, and then I would label it apartment units because that's what we're looking for. How many apartment units does he have? All right, last question. If Scott City is 27 units long and 19 units wide, what is the area of his city in square units? So remember area, I want to multiply my numbers to get area. So I'm going to do 27. I'm going to go ahead and clear this actually so you can see a little bit better. I'm going to do 27 times 19. So 27 times 19. It's a great place to use my turtle head again because I'm doing a double digit by double digit. My turtle head. Ooh. All right, 9 times 7 is 63. So put my 3 here, carry my 6. 9 times 2 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Put that 6 in there. I'm going to add my 0 because it's a turtle, or lay my egg. Cross off my color and cross off my carry numbers. Now I'll go this way. 1 times 7 is 7. And 2 times 1 is 2. And I get to add my numbers together. 3 plus 0 is 3. We're at 7 plus 4 is 11. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So I get 513 square units because we're talking about the area. So that was our focus on problem solving. I am sure using this, you can write some of your own problems and challenge yourself as well. Great job.